Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculating the area of a polar region is super fast when you know the right steps. Let us dive into this math problem and solve it now. The area of a polar region is 1/2 the integral of r². We integrate from 0 to pi using our given function for r to set up the integral. Square the radius and use the power reduction identity for sin². This transforms the integral into a simple cosine term that is very easy to evaluate for our final answer. Integrate the expression to get 9/4 pi. Calculating this value gives us approximately 7.069, which perfectly matches our target option. You got this! Let's go! Clear win! Scan the code you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid missing the 1/2 factor and always use polar area identities to stay on track.